My guest is Rohit Walia from Alpen Capital, an investment banking advisory firm specialising in debt and equity solutions for institutional and corporate clients in the Middle East, Africa, South Asia and beyond. Rohit, reintroduce us to Alpen Capital and the services that you offer.
So we're a 22-year-old firm born in the DIFC in Dubai, grown quite rapidly over the last 20 years. Two very specific services. We are good at raising money for growth capital. And number two, at any M&A transaction which you may have in mind. There are a lot of people who are looking to grow their businesses, i.e. acquire businesses, either regionally or globally, or the other clients who are looking to divest businesses. We've got very good connectivity within our region, and we very clearly understand what it is that you need and how do we get there. And we also have a very good idea of what will work in which part of the GCC markets which we can help with. The GCC markets have become more receptive to setting up industry. The largest GCC market, Saudi Arabia, they've actually set up an institution, Dosur, with whom we work with very closely. We're running 2 transactions with them right now to help clients set up a manufacturing base in the region. In Abu Dhabi, we have something called RDO, Abu Dhabi Investment Office. We work with them very closely too. Each has a different offering. So we have to make sure that what is it that the client requires and how do we match it up with what is available.
Now tell me how you've grown over the last few years since we last had you in the studio.
Our home markets remain the GCC and South Asia, but we've grown dramatically geographically. We were working in about 6 to 8 countries. Now we're in about 25 to 28 countries. A lot of it is in Africa, so there's a dozen odd countries there, East, West and Francophone Africa, and Asia. We've actually running transactions from Mongolia all the way down to Cambodia and anything in the middle. And these are countries where either we have done or we're doing a transaction. So that's where the growth has come from, 15, 20, 25% growth year on year. But I think each of us has become a lot more efficient, given the last 3 years of COVID and how we worked. Maybe we figured out a better way of doing things.
Talk me through some of your most important recent transactions. You've been providing a lot of funding to banks lately.
Yeah, the latest one is right here in the UK, where we've provided equity to one of the new banks. Just got licensed a couple of years ago, called Monument Bank. We just got the document signed a month ago. A large client of ours, Dubai Investments, has taken a 9% equity stake. It's an important transaction, a very nice transaction. In other markets, we've done some very large ticket funding for financial institutions in India. A bank called IndusInd Bank, huge impact around women empowerment lending. So exotic markets are where we've had some of our recent successes.
And the other side of your business, Alpen Asset Advisors, what does this offer?
So this side of the business actually looks after your money, whereas Alpen Capital helps you raise money. Our clients here are mid-sized banks, large family offices, corporates who have short-term surplus funding which needs to be parked in a fashion which can be accessed quickly and rapidly for their businesses.
And what is going to be the strategy for Alpen Capital moving forward?
I think we keep focus on our core emerging markets. We can grow them a lot. There's a humongous potential. We've done very well. Very successful means we've got 1 or 2 transactions done in each of these countries. So I think there's huge scope to grow in all of them, and that will be a key focus going forward.
Thanks for watching. Click now for more from this interview with Rohit Walia or learn more at alpencapital.com. And as always, please subscribe for the latest international business insights from worldfinance.com.